Yo, what's up, guys? Back at it again with another daily technical analysis, and we got some news after this TA. So, literally hit the resistance line or support line exactly as I've been drawn for many weeks now. And yeah, this was coming. My short's doing pretty good, and we're breaking it a little bit. Like right now, obviously, we're breaking it. But let's see if we get confirmation, and we're going to most likely go to 57K, the 200-day moving average. So, continued downtrend, huge, just huge sell-off pressure. Like, look at the volume. It's recovery is not, it's just not right now, like we're most likely going to 57K, if not below her, 50K possibly. It's possibility, it's likely, and it's not impossible right now because 20% dips are, just what happens during bull markets even. So, about 17, 18% right now. So 20% will put us, literally almost at 57K, the 200-day moving average. So, and let's say we go down even more, 30K dip or 30% dip, 52K, and a little bit of resistance or support right here. So it's, likely. Just got to watch out for this. And the only possible way we could possibly move to the upside is if we bounce off of this, get supported like this, maybe have a little bit of retest, but then we flip it like that kind of, or we just, we don't break below it right now. It's like a fake out this day, right? And then this week we bounce off of it, and then we could move back up to 50 or 67K. That's like the only possible way we could. This could be like a fake out dump, but like kind of like right here, right? So that's also a possibility, but it's just more likely that we're going down because also if you look at the liquidation heat map, we have clearly a whole bunch of liquidations. That's happened right here yesterday. Right yesterday, or I guess earlier actually this morning at 3, right? Yeah, earlier this morning at 3 o'clock during when we were all asleep. Liquidations happened, and I should have added before I went to sleep on my short. I'll show you that, guys, in a second, but it's whatever. Um, yeah, so clearly that's why we went down, because we had longs getting liquidated, and huge move down, and still have some shorts or longs to get liquidated, so that's why we could go to 58K, 57 though, which would be the moving average. And we do have a lot of short liquidation leverage up here, so we could see that get grabbed and move to the upside really quick. Well, 63K is not that, it wouldn't be that big of an upside move. We would just go back up a couple percent and grab that liquidity real quick. Yeah, barely 5%, and grab that. So then it would look like this. If we did do that, it would be like we bounce off of it, go up, grab it, and then continue the downwards action. That's what that would look like most likely. So yeah, those are just like some possibilities that I see. And we look at the mining cost, 45K mining cost. So that could indicate miners are selling off, maybe something like that. I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, for some reason this would indicate that Bitcoin is overvalued, so that's why it's going down. But obviously the halving happened, so technically it's undervalued, and when the halving happened over here is 90K cost to mine 60K, so I don't know why it's really going down. That doesn't make sense. Maybe I should pull up the hash rate chart next video, and maybe that can tell us something, right? Maybe there's a less hash rate, so that's why it's cheaper to mine, something like that, right? But if we take a look at my short that I made, close 50%, $50, $54 in profit, secured, still in just a little bit, right? With $25 and $45 unrealized profit, but I took off some off the table just to secure a little bit of profit, like It just felt like it. It feels good to take profit when when you're in heavily profit. This was almost at 200% in profit, which is just insane. Yeah, imagine if I went like 100x or added a little bit more, because I had $50. So good trade. Good trade that I've just been calling. Uh, it was just too easy of a trade to make. But yeah, let's get right into the news. So I'm gonna go through it quickly so I don't waste too much time. But yeah, let's see what we got here. We got Salvadorian government introduces Bitcoin banking law reform. So as you may have known that Bitcoin is legal tender in El Salvador. So this is of course they're gonna make laws and stuff, which is just normal. Okay. Excuse me, but yeah, let's see. We got to allow private investment banks to lend Bitcoin services. So I guess that's what it is, right? Uh, nothing too crazy, just normal law news, I guess, right? So let's see what we got next. We got Wall Street embraces Bitcoin, obviously. Top 80 top 80 institutional holders revealed. So we got we got all these institutionals holding Bitcoin here, and Bitcoin being the most performing asset in the world and ETF in the world. Uh, it's just obvious that they all Wall Street, the big money, would embrace Bitcoin, right? So let's move on to the next. We got Binance CEO predicts 80K. Like, come on, that's light work, brother. That's light work. So it's actually not the OG founder of Binance. It's whoever Richard Teng is. And come on, 80K. Like, bro, I could predict 80K. Like, that's obviously gonna happen by the end of this year, if not well over 80K, right? It's light work. So let's see what we got next. We got largest bank in Brazil, Itaú Unibanco. I think that's how you say it. Obviously, I have no clue. Cryptocurrency trading to all users, right? Finally, I guess, right? Like, bro, how is cryptocurrency like banned in some places? Like, they literally just want you to lose and not make money. They want so much control. But yeah, I guess we got the largest bank in Brazil, and all of Latam, now offers services to all the users. I don't know why it says users. It should say citizens, right? Like, dude, they're normal people. But so yeah, got that going on. We got some goofy news right here. Dogecoin founder calls Bitcoin maximalists mentally ill. Like, dude's just a goofball. And then we got this one right here saying, dude is literally just a goofball, literally just a goofy, literally. Dogecoin founder chooses Bitcoin over Doge. Like, yeah, like, dude is literally just a clown. Like, dude, Bitcoin is clearly better than Dogecoin, an inflationary shitcoin. Literally, it's just a meme coin. It's garbage. There's no reason it has value other than it's just people like dog, I guess. Like, I don't know. Like, dude's just a goofball. So back to some real good news. This is more of, should have put this in the technical analysis bit. But we got the Ethereum exchange reserves are depleting. Ethereum exchange reserves in the blue line compared to the price. So as Ethereum goes up, the exchange reserves go down. Basic supply and demand, right? The price goes higher, people want to buy it. So then the exchanges dump it on to people buying it, right? So, just basic supply and demand, and Ethereum is technically deflationary. So another reason why the price would go up, obviously, and I don't know what to say. But we got dude, this guy's another goofball. Like, another goofball. Like, Charles Hoskinson, the creator of Cardano, says it will flip Bitcoin. Like, dude literally must live in his own world of Cardano. Like, dude, Cardano is not that good, Like, Dude is just a goofball. Like, what are you talking about? I don't even want to read it. Like, just look at this headline. Like, are you serious, bro? Reveals real reasons why Cardano will flip. Like, dude, no. Dude clearly just wants to pump his own coin in his own bag. Like, nobody cares about that. Okay, little interruption, but I think we left off right here. Yeah, absolute goofball, the Cardano founder. Um, let's move on to the next one. So, Ripple CLO, don't know what that stands for, says US SEC has abandoned its absurd demand for $2 billion. So if you don't know, Ripple XRP, they're in a lawsuit, and the SEC wanted $2 billion from them for some reason, I don't know. And I guess it's over. That's good for XRP holders. Don't really care about XRP. It's okay, I guess. It'll probably go up, right? But it's whatever. So we got Gemini settles for 50 mil on lawsuit over its earn program. So this is really important, guys. So this is why you cannot trust exchanges. So Gemini, they had a earn program, right? And I'm pretty sure it was were partnered with BlockFi that went bankrupt because they were stupid and over lending or something like that, and they couldn't pay out all their peoples, right? All the people who staked basically with them or gave them the coins. And Gemini, they were tied with them, so they also had people that couldn't get paid from the earn program. And this is why you should not stake or lend your coins on a centralized exchange, because it's unsafe. So basically the only way you should stake is with your own validator node or a liquidity pool that is decentralized, because that is the safest way. Staking and earning yield on your coins is good. Like, do it if you can. But with a centralized service, it's just too risky, clearly. So let's see what we got next. We got analyst within Frankfurt Stock Exchange predicts XRP 2000% rally. Dude must only have XRP, or like 50% of his holdings are XRP, because 2000% rally, possible, sure, but again, who cares about XRP? Like, literally, who cares? We got Japanese company MetaPlanet boosts Bitcoin holdings to 9.6 million. So another company, Japanese company actually, buying more Bitcoin. Who would have guessed, right? This was 13 days ago. A little bit outdated. Not really. 2 weeks ago. Like, come on. They bought 23 Bitcoin at an average of 68K per coin. They now hold 141 Bitcoin with an average price of 65K. They're whales, basically. Most people can't even buy one Bitcoin. So a company buying multiple Bitcoin, or tens of Bitcoin at one time, yeah, they're whales, and they know what they're doing, and they're going to be rich. They're going to be one of the companies that have a lot of money in the future. And pretty old news. If you use MetaMask, they have Ethereum staking now, and it's a good place to stake because it is on your hot wallet. It's not the most safest, but it's not safe, but it's a good place to stake. This is where you should stake your Ethereum, not on a centralized exchange. So this is 1,000 times more safe. But MetaMask, you can stake your Ethereums, and it's in a pool, so it's one of the safest way. And you don't have to have 32 Ethereum. So yeah, pretty good. And that's pretty much all the news. Let's see. Oh yeah, I guess I'll just pull up this, right? So we got Bitcoin at 60K, Ethereum at 3,300, and then all these other coins. You guys probably already know, but like, stuff's been down for the past couple of weeks, and it's honestly, it wouldn't surprise me if we go down further, like at least who knows, 50K, 40K, who knows, or we could just it's probably just going to be sideways action, It's at 60K right now. It was literally at 65K last week. So it could go to 55 and then go back up to 60 and then 65. Like, it's just going to be sideways actions, chop. That's what you call it. And, this is where we just hodl. If you're a very good trader and you know technical analysis, this is where you could take good trades, I guess, right? Good shorts and good longs. You know what you're doing, but do not follow my trades because I know what I'm doing, but like definitely I don't have enough experience to tell you or even like remotely like show you like how to trade good. I just have basic technical analysis. Like I just draw random lines. They're not random, but like, like basically like this is just simple stuff, simple TA. I have so much more to learn and so does everybody else, so look at my trade, like it's a good trade because I got in early from the short, like I got in where to get in like 63K. Normally there's an arrow that says where you got in, but I don't know why it's not showing. But whatever. I got in at 63K, almost 64K, and it was a good trade in hindsight, but the reason why I got in was barely based on like some technical breakers or technical analysis breaking. It was just because I thought it was going to go down, basically. So I need to learn more clearly. But I'm not too inexperienced where I can't risk some money, So, but if you don't have a lot of money and you are just hodling, do not use your hodling for trading. That's not a good idea. Trust me, that's not a good idea. Buy separate Bitcoin or use Tether. Basically, use fresh money to trade because you can lose fresh money. You do not want to lose the coins you've been hodling for months or years. That is the main thing. You don't want to lose your net worth basically. But if you have $100, $1,000 extra to play with, to test with, to trade with, to get experience with, you can use that. You don't have to use you don't even have to use that much money. If you really want to trade and maybe make some money, use $1, literally $1, $10. You can use $10 and maybe double it, right, to make 20. That's decent, Just double your money and you gain experience and lessons. And you can also paper trade. Literally, you can paper trade down here somewhere. I don't know where it is. I don't know why it's not showing up, but you can paper trade on TradingView, so figure that out if you want to do that. But yeah, the video's been long enough. So you guys know the deal. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll be back every single day, hopefully. I'll try every single day to do technical analysis at least, and on-chain analysis, and maybe some news, right? I'll do news at least once a week, right? Because there's good news at least once a week. And yeah, you guys know the deal. Peace out. Ya dig.